Douglas, if we start with you, the extra selling that we've seen recently, do you think that is a year-end tax-related phenomenon?
Yeah, I think everyone's going to take a look at the positions that they have, and they're going to see if they can't maximize any losses on those positions. This sell-off might be creating a little additional pain, so we could see a little bit more sell-off, but I wouldn't go saying that's what's leading the market down.
Is it a bigger dynamic this year because of some of the tax changes that are going to go into effect as a result of the new laws, the SALT rules and everything like that going away?
No, I really don't think that has a lot to do with it, and I think we need to keep perspective in that, we've run up over 9 years. We probably have more gains than losses for buy and hold investors. So if you're looking at your positions and seeing losses, it's probably due to trades you've placed rather recently. I don't think those two things are correlated as much as maybe some people do.
Lazetta, what's the main tip you've got for our viewers in terms of what they should be doing in these final trading sessions of the year to best prepare for their tax plans going ahead?
Yes, certainly. As we're talking about investments, we have to go to retirement accounts. They're very popular for most investors, as well as I like to throw in there HSA accounts, the health savings accounts that are tied to high deductible plans. So make sure in these 2 days, if you can, through your payroll system, or if you're self-employed, sock away as much as you can in your retirement assets and your HSA to get those tax deductions and to take advantage of a very low market right now. So great time to buy.
Douglas, what's the most important thing investors need to be doing to get ready for 2019?
So I think they need to have a plan. Ultimately, I think this has been a gut check in December, much like we had a gut check in February. So if you're kind of running around scared, not knowing, which way the wind's blowing, sit down with a professional. Get a plan in place, be calm.
How much anxiety is there from your clients right now?
Very little, if not none. This is something we talk about. Absolutely. Content wins. We're constantly in touch with them. We're constantly explaining what's going on. This is built into the planning that we do.
So what have you told them? Someone that rang up in the last 2 days and said, what on earth is going on? What's the answer been?
Well, first, no one's fortunately been asking that, but the reply I'm giving them is take a look at the uncertainty we have around us. Take a look at the S&P 500 and what it's done over the 9 years. If you don't think markets go up and down, then you're playing the wrong game, and maybe you should actually reconsider how you think.
How much anxiety are you hearing from any clients, and what are you telling them?
Same as Douglas. We're looking at kind of where they are in their life cycle. So if you have the long-term strategy for my millennials and even some of the Gen Xers, this is kind of day course. And even for my retirees and those who are silent generations, we have been planning for this time along the journey. So this is par for the course. That's what financial planning is all about. Having a plan and sticking with it, making adjustments as needed.